Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Irene F. Adayat. I'm 33 years old from Magsaysay, Nagilian, Isabela, Philippines. I am a single mom and blessed with 3 children. The ages is 14, 10, and 6. My father is a stroke patient and my mother is a housewife. I have 2 brothers and 6 sisters. I am Roman Catholic and my highest educational attainment is I am a graduate of senior high school, and my hobbies are cleaning the house, doing the laundry, and playing with the kids. And I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 5 years, since January 2019 to January 2024. I serve 3 members of the family, as much as 1 couple and 1 baby. My main duties are taking care of baby, doing the laundry, cleaning the house and wash the dishes, cooking Filipino food, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house. Ma'am, sir, I want to work in Hong Kong to provide the needs of my family. Since sir and ma'am, I am a first timer working in Hong Kong, I am willing to be trained. I am a fast learner. I also take care of a newborn baby. I can offer tutorial for your children, like teaching them on how to read and write. And I can also sing a song, nursery rhyme song, like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. And ma'am, sir, I am willing to learn on how to cook your favorite dishes. And I'm willing to take care of your newborn baby also. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. And I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you so much.